Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are at Prestige Westwoods project which is located in Binnypet, Bangalore. So here you can take a view of main entrance gate. This project is sprawled over 7.15 acres of land. It offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK residential apartments. So now here we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK flat which is of 1786 square feet. So this we have entered into the apartment, and here you can see the spacious living room, very well furnished with fantastic interior work. And this we have entered into the first bedroom of this flat, the spacious bedroom with lavish interior decoration. So these are the wardrobe sections. And this is the view of an attached washroom. It's quite spacious. And now we are moving towards the kitchen area. So friends, this we have entered into an Italian modular kitchen with tabletop and cabinets. And this is the outside view from the kitchen's window. And here is the dining area. Over here you can see a small balcony. From here you can take the outside view of the society. And now we have entered into the second bedroom of this flat. Here is the wardrobe. Again you can see the beautiful interior work has been done with laminated wooden flooring. From here you can see the master bedroom. And this is an attached washroom with the master bedroom. So here we are giving you the interior view. It's a spacious master bedroom, skillfully designed for the comfort of the resident with laminated wooden flooring. And now we are moving towards the common washroom. So friends, this is the common washroom of this 3 BHK apartment. So in this video, we have given you the actual view of 3 BHK apartment. Hope you like this video. So thank you friends for watching the video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.